Imagine being able to make someone feel so emotionally tied to you that they believe their life wouldn't be the same without you. This form of emotional dependency can be powerful, but it requires a delicate balance of emotional manipulation, exclusivity, and psychological influence. Here's how to make someone feel like they can't live without you. Step 1. Be the source of their happiness. People often become emotionally attached to the person who makes them feel the most alive. To create a sense of dependence, start by being the one who provides them with consistent emotional satisfaction. Make them feel important and validated every time they interact with you. Compliment them on their uniqueness and provide positive reinforcement so that they begin to associate you with happiness and fulfillment. When someone sees you as their source of joy, they become increasingly reliant on your presence to feel good. Step 2. Create emotional roller coasters. Humans are more likely to feel emotionally attached to someone who makes them experience a range of emotions. If your presence is emotionally unpredictable, alternating between intense moments of affection and occasional emotional distance, it creates a psychological tension that keeps them hooked. The unpredictability of your behavior makes them want to earn your attention and approval, leading them to invest more time and energy in you. Step 3. Become their confidant. Make sure to position yourself as the only person they can turn to for comfort and understanding. Be an active listener, validate their feelings, and be there for them when they need to talk. This builds a sense of emotional dependence where they feel like they can't go to anyone else with their vulnerabilities. As you become their confidant, they will associate you with feelings of security and trust, further solidifying their emotional attachment to you. By being their source of happiness, creating emotional tension, and becoming their confidant, you can make someone feel like they can't live without you. May wisdom guide you until we meet again. Farewell. Subscribe for more helpful tips.